Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. It's nice to meet you, and of course, if you're new here, then of course, well, welcome to my channel. Alright, so let's begin. We're doing a kind of like a get ready with me chit chat video, but I'm gonna be using like a couple of new products, new to me-ish. You'll see. Anyways, let's just start the video. Okay, so what should I talk about first? Now, the first product I have in my hand is the Mario Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe, Herbs, and Rose Water. Alright, so this is just basically a facial spray, obviously. So let's just go ahead and... Whew, love that stuff. Basically, when I use this, I use it before my makeup, I use it after my makeup, just a nice, I use it when I have makeup on, when I don't have makeup on. Basically a nice, just a refreshing, wake me up type of feel. I love it. And the green tea one, which I used up already, is also... Alright, so the next product I'm talking about while doing my makeup is the e.l.f. Brow Pencil. And you guys, this is amazing. So, first of all, if you watch my videos, you guys know that my ride or die, go-to brow pencil. I mean, I've used Benefit, I've used Kat Von D, I've used a bunch of brow pencils, but I always go back to Anastasia Beverly Hills because, I mean, they are a little bit expensive, but then again, I mean, it's such a good brow product. I just love it. So, but I want to try something different because, why not? And as I'm shopping around and I come across this and I'm like, Oh, and the only reason why I was shopping for new brow products is because I was pretty much running out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm like, okay, so I need a new brow products ASAP. And, I mean, I do have the Kat Von D brow product, the pomade one, right here. I have this. But for this, I feel like it's not really an everyday type of brow makeup for me. This I use pretty much when it's like, if I plan on going to the pool and I don't want my my brows to like come off when it's wet. It's more of like a, if I'm going out trying to glam up and upscale my look. Alright, that's what I use it for. It's not really so much of an everyday look. And the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz is, for me, definitely an everyday look. It just fills my brow so effortlessly, so naturally. Alright, we're not even talking about that. Alright, so I picked up this e.l.f. brow pencil and using it for maybe about a week or two now. Alright, and it is amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I mean, I use it every day to go to work. So to show you guys how it works. So it comes with two ends with two caps. Alright, so I took the caps off. It has a little spoolie on one end and the brow product on the other end. So I need a mirror. So basically I just brush my brows out, and I personally feel like I have, a good amount of brow hair to begin with. I'm not like browless completely, so it's not like I have to really draw in my brows, if that makes sense. I'm just pretty much filling it in, so this is perfect for that. And so that is exactly what I'm gonna do, is just fill it in. And I'm not even pressing hard, I'm just pretty much lightly and gently making little, somewhat of a hair-like stroke, but I mean, I'm just more so filling my brows in. Okay, so this is what the brow looks like all filled in, and here's my brow that's not filled in. I mean, not much of a big difference, I feel like, but definitely a difference enough to say, ooh, you got some nice brows. I like it. Alright, at least I like it. Alright, so let's go ahead and fill in the other brow. See, normally doing this takes me like, I don't know, like a minute, if that. A minute to do my brows this way. It's just a quick fill in. Alright, so the next product I'm using is not brand new. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel, and I'm just gonna quickly tint my brows just a little bit. Honestly, I'm using this more so for the gel part because my hair is long on my brows and I want to keep them positioned a certain way. So that is the real reason why I'm using this. So I've already prepped my eyes by priming them, and I'm now going to dive into the Dominique Cosmetic Lemonade palette. And we are going to do our makeup using the palette. So just a quick glance of what the colors look like if you're unfamiliar with it. Those are the colors right there. Alright, okay, so let's dive in. And I don't even know what makeup look I'm going to do. I'm just kind of like doing it as I go along. So picking up some nude tea. Alright. And I need a mirror. We're going to place that on our eyes, just all over. So next I'm taking the color Blueberry Fizz, and we're going to place that pretty much on the sockets of our eyes, like so. Now we have our Blueberry Fizz on. I'm picking up some, what color should I pick? Some chai tea. We're placing that on the outer corner of our eyes. I'm gonna actually pick up some more Blueberry Fizz and use my fingers to really showcase that color and even bring it down a little bit where my actual lid space is. For my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna use the ColourPop in the color Amaze, and just pretty much, again, using my finger to apply this inner corner highlight. We're going to just put that like that. For my eyeliner, I'm using the e.l.f. What is this called? The e.l.f. Intense Ink Eyeliner, and it's a nice chubby eyeliner stick, or eyeliner felt tip pencil, I guess. And honestly, I was a little bit scared to use this because, I mean, it's like such a chubby stick, but I mean, once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad, especially because it comes to a nice fine point. So let's go ahead and do the wing eyeliner, and hopefully I can catch this all on camera because not sure how to really angle myself so you guys can see what I'm doing. The great part about this is not only does it have a nice fine little tip if you need that little sharpness, but it also has like that chunky part. So if you have like a really big space you want to fill in, just turn it on the side like what I'm doing now and just fill it in like so. Alright, I want to go ahead and kind of intensify the look a little bit more. So I'm going to pick up my Laura Lee Nudie Patootie and pick up the shade Nakey Nakey, which is the color right up there. And picking up like a very small, tiny brush, we're going to just basically place that on my eye socket. And just to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to pick up some Stark from the same palette, the Nudie Patootie, and just place that on my brow bone. Alright, so now I'm going to zhuzh up the look, amp it up a little bit by taking some Heavy Metal in the Pyro Glitter shade, and we are going to just place that right where the blue soda fizzy color is, which should basically be the center of your eyelid. went ahead and finished up my entire face of makeup, and this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and of course, if you like videos like this, don't forget to like this video, click subscribe, and tap on the notification bell. And that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, so I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!